What is up, YouTube? Today I got a little simple project. Use this here gambrel and hoist from Harbor Freight. You can see the diagram right there. I'm gonna use it to lift that canoe against the side of that shed. All right, here's a detail of the lifting block. This pulley stays fixed. I've got 3 screws into the stud of the building. Got a 1/2-inch lag bolt, maybe 3/8, but put a little washer on there as extra security, and I'm gonna tighten it down here in a little bit. But you want to position this where this corner of this bracket right there where my finger is, we'll clear that just so you have a little bit of degree of freedom, and it's not binding. The thing about rigging is you need everything to move freely and not binds. This knot right here, use a good knot, tie a bowline. Don't tie anything else. Tie a bowline. Shit about pulleys. They don't change the force. They just change direction. So check this out. So I'm pulling down on this rope right here, say with 100 pounds, right? Position this. 100 pounds up, redirected another 100 pounds through this line, back over it another 100 pounds, anchored right here another 100 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the force multiplication with this double block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 400 pounds output, 100 pounds input. Pretty cool.